किलोमीटर तुम्ही स्टीलसाचे बांधले वेस्टर्न बायपास
350 meters. 350 meters. See, just Sabsa is a part and parcel of our government. If there are hindrances, when I say that Mr. Rijnal is doing work and being of opposition, he is helping the government. Vijay is with our team. Definitely he will take the concurrence of the subject and definitely he will have sitting with everybody including Chief Minister and he will decide himself what is to be done. He is capable and he can do it.
राधाराव आणि चर्चिल म्हणटा लोकांच्या घरांक आणि शेतांक त्रास जावंक जायना. ह्या मार्गार कितलेशेच भागांनी सुवाती सकयल आसात, थंय भाराव घाल्यार बुट्टी येतली म्हूण ते सुवातींनी बायपास स्टील स्ट्रक्चर जाय.
So now the only area left for the monsoon's waters, or the floods of the River Sal together, are the paddy fields on either side of the River Sal. Now this embankment which is being built is going to occupy a major chunk of the floodplain. And our fear, backed by our own experiences, is that the areas which in any case suffer from floods during the monsoons, the floods will be aggravated because there will be no way for the water to go. We demand that the bridge, that the road at in the areas from Sarauli fish market or the what is the fish market? The wholesale fish market across the road leading to Kolwa at Mungul and then across the road leading to Warka at Haraban. It should be about 3.5 kilometers built on steels. And this much was promised in public by PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar in June last year.
So, हांव कितें म्हणटा आमकां ही वेस्टर्न बायपास जावपाक जाय तेजे प्रश्न ना पूण वेस्टर्न बायपास जाता आसतना लोकांक त्रास जावपाक जायना. लोकांक हाल्यां शेत बुडोवंक जायना. आज लोक ते शेतांचे जियेता. लोकांक घरां उदक येवपाक जायना. लोकांक त्रास जावपाक जायना. लोकांक त्रास जायना जावपा पासत एक उपाव थिंगा आमी हें केला. आज हांवें तांकां आपयलें इंजिनियरांक ते येयले नाय. ते इंजिनियर आपयलें हांवें तांकां म्हाका प्लॅन दिया म्हणून येयले नाय. ते कोण येयले नाय.
विजय म्हणटा वेस्टर्न बायपासा विशीं जें कितें सांगपाचें तें मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगलां.
Certain areas are prone for flooding. So जो राधारावान डिमांड केल्लो आहा ताका टू सम एक्सटेंट ताका तथ्य आहा. तथ्य म्हळ्यार इट इज अ वॅलीड डिमांड बिकॉज द टोपोग्राफी ऑफ द लँड इज सच that traditionally we have seen those areas getting flooded. So I think somebody will either have to justify how it is not going to get flooded or they will have to go in and go for stills. I am of this personal opinion. I have spoken yesterday to Chief Minister saying that we should make a special appeal to Mr. Nitin Gadkari to help us resolve this issue.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.